सो वेल भेड़िया का फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो हैज़ बीन वॉच, और अगर आप अभी ये सोच रहे हो कि टिकट ले या ना ले, तो वेल माई एडवाइस वुड बी कि टिकट ले लो, बिकॉज ऑल सेड एंड डन इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्टोरी एंड इट्स अ डिफरेंट फिल्म जो आपने अब तक बॉलीवुड में तो नहीं देखी होगी. Of course, there are a few films that have come on the lines of this storyline, but ये काफ़ी different है बहुत सारी फिल्मों से. अब what is it all about? As you have seen in the trailer, Varun Dhawan is a guy from a big city like Delhi, और वो एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है या सिविल इंजीनियर है. He comes to Zero, which is in अरुणाचल प्रदेश. वहाँ पे उनको एक रोड बनाना है ज़ीरो के जंगल्स के बीच में. Obviously अगर रोड बनाना है तो जंगल को काटना पड़ेगा, पेड़ों को काटना पड़ेगा, and the locals there will never be ready for it. तो वरुण धवन's job is to make them understand that this development is important for them and will be beneficial for them. और वहाँ पर उनके साथ उनके भाई भी आते हैं जो है अभिषेक बैनर्जी, and he is actually the जान of the film when it comes to comedy. और वहाँ पर कृति सनन भी होती है एंड वो जानवरों की डॉक्टर है. तो जब वरुण धवन के साथ जंगल में ये कांड हो जाता है तो कृति सनन comes to his rescue. This is the broad story line, लेकिन इसके अंदर बहुत सारी दूसरी स्टोरीज़ हैं which is slight bit of a problem with the film, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इश्यूज़ को टैकल करने की ट्राई की गई है, which includes the man-animal conflict, the ecological balance that we humans don't think about when we think about development, जो नेचर के साथ छेड़खानी करते हैं, नेचर conservation है, plus the thing that North Easterns feel in India about being mocked at or about being told about their language कि उनको हिंदी नहीं आती है तो वो लोग they are not enough Indians if they don't know हिंदी. तो वो सारी चीज़ें, रेसिज्म थोड़ा सा है. Those things are there in bits and parts which actually make the story longer, but because it is done in a fun way, it's still very entertaining because the comedy element in this film is very, very strong. The other element that is very strong in this film is the actual visuals of shooting in a place which is quite a virgin location if you ask me. अगर आप ज़ीरो की बात करें जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में, या पाके कसांग, जो ये सारे जो एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ पर ज़्यादा कभी फिल्में कोई गई नहीं है शूट करने के लिए, एंड दीज आर एक्चुअल लोकेशंस एंड इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट इज़ सो वेल कैप्चर्ड cinematography and also colors wise. When you see it on the big screen, you literally get transported over there, and I was really lucky that I watched it with a friend who is from there. He doesn't want to come on camera, so it's okay, but he's shooting this right now and he's listening to it. It's an amazing place. You would want to go to Arunachal Pradesh after watching this movie. Other than that, of course, the graphics and the visual effects. Most of the films जो आजकल आ रही है, जैसे हमने आदि पुरुष के साथ भी देखा, the visual effects fail the story. मतलब वो दिख जाता है कि ये fake है, ये बिल्कुल भी convince नहीं कर पाता है. But in this case, the visual effects are quite real. They seem like real. और especially the Wolf's character comes out very, very naturally. और हमने बचपन में जुनून करके एक फिल्म आई थी जिसका जिक्र इस फिल्म में है, और जानी दुश्मन का भी है बाय द वे, सो दे आर अवेयर कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है पहले बॉलीवुड में. उसमें जो दिखाया गया था उस टाइम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इट वाज प्रोग्रेसिव, वेरी अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम. पर इस फिल्म में जो वरुण धवन का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखाया है फ्रॉम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग टू अ भेड़िया इज़ एक्सट्रीमली वेल डन, और ग्राफिकली it's superb, and when you see it you actually get the goosebumps. So these are the great things about the film. Music is average, I would say, but film के अंदर बहुत सारे गाने नहीं है, so that's a good thing. Another very important part is of course Varun Dhawan's performance is actually quite good, and even in a role like this where there is so much comedy and there is so much larger than life loud sort of a character, he tries to really give it full honesty and do it as best as he can. So I think performance wise, when he started off, I used to feel that he थोड़े ओवर एक्टिंग करते हैं and he is a little too over the top, the kind of roles he used to choose. But I think now उनमें वो restrain आने लगा है. Kriti Sanon doesn't have so much to do as I would have expected, but yeah, there is a very big twist in the climax which obviously I will not tell you, but when you see it, maybe you will get convinced, maybe you won't, but the twist is worth waiting for. Abhishek Banerjee is such a hoot, man. Like, when it comes to comedy, he says those lines so naturally, and these are everyday lines of comedy जो हम और आप बोलते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के बीच में, और वो इतनी ईजीली सीमलेसली उसको डाल देते हैं ना अपने बोलने में. और जिस तरीके से ऑफकोर्स डायलॉग्स लिखे भी गए हैं, विच वॉज अनदर जो डायरेक्टर हैं इसके, अमर कौशिक, ये उनका एक प्लस पॉइंट है. इन स्त्री ऑल्सो ही डिड दैट, ही गॉट दीज डायलॉग्स वेरी सीमलेसली इन टू द नैरेटिव. यहाँ पर भी वो ये करते हैं, विच अगेन कम्स आउट वेरी ब्यूटिफुली व्हेन यू सी इट इन द फिल्म. हंसी आती है एंड इट डजंट सीम स्लैपस्टिक और इट डजंट सीम फोर्स्ड. द ह्यूमर इज़ क्वाइट ऑर्गेनिक दैट वे. The other last thing that I want to say is that you all know that Dinesh Vision and his company Madoc Films is making this whole universe of his own films and characters. Is film mein it's established really well. I'm not going to tell you anything more, but do not start moving out of your seats as soon as the credits roll. बैठ जाना, सबर करो, रुको ज़रा, वो वाला मैं आपको बोलूँगा, because there is so much that comes after the credits roll. It is a lot like how Hollywood does it. But in Bollywood, it started happening, and now it's happening for the first time, I think, with this film. So overall, I think Bhedia would be quite worth your while. Go and watch it. And if you have watched it or if you're going to watch it, let us know in the comments what you think about it. I'll be eagerly waiting to know your review, because my review is by far going to be one of the first reviews that comes out. So I have a huge responsibility of telling you how exactly I feel about a film. So go ahead and watch it and let me know. Even if you're not watching it, let me know why. Of course, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Meet me on Instagram and on Facebook. It's @ReviewRon. Do all of that. On Twitter, it's @Ronak Kotecha. But as always, even if you don't do any of these things, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind. And of course, you can catch my reviews in the Times of India. Just log on to timesofindia.com or pick up a copy today.